Almost done. Now I'm going to show you a trick to double checking your values and making sure they're perfect every time. At this point in the drawing, everything can look perfect because the values are relatively right. In other words, the whole drawing may be two values light, so it looks good, but it's not there yet. So I've come up with an easy system you can use to check and see what values need to be adjusted. Here's how it works. Simply cut a 1" by 1" square out of a sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper and place it over the area you want to check. The square is going to isolate the value so your eye isn't being fooled by the relative values around it. Then compare it to the printed side of the grayscale I supplied you. Hold the values next to each other and compare them until you see the value it's equivalent to. In this case, it's 8th value. I bet it surprised some of you that it's that dark. Next, bring your 1" square over to your drawing. Place it over the same spot you did on your printout and compare it to the side of the grayscale that you shaded. Don't compare it to the printed side because that's a perfectly smooth texture and can confuse your eye. You should be comparing pencil to pencil and printout to printout. As you can see, it looks like 7th value, so I'm one value too light. I'm going to check her cheek next. It looks like it's about 7th value. Okay, let's check my drawing. That's about 6th value, so it has to get a value darker too. And let's take a look at the value on her forehead. I'd say around 6th or 7th value also. And my drawing is about 5th or 6th value. It appears everything needs to come up about one value universally. And I'll check her forehead. Looks like 3rd value. On the reference, it's 4th value. And that's how my system works. So keep the grayscale you shaded because you can use it on every drawing you do from now on.